guys, we're here at Anago, ready to go racing. Watch the rest of this video to find out how we did.
Go around them, Andrew. Go around, high side, stay high side. Hot pits coming in, left rear flat. Go high side, all the way to hot pits, end of the race.
On the second lap of the race, the engine air filter popped up. We did a new configuration and we got to watch that kind of fly off into the sunset. When most of the race, that air tube, the charge pipe was open, chance it could have sucked a bunch of stuff in.
So it's really careful to start going. Yeah, I don't know about these wheels.
Yeah, pretty. Yeah, pretty.
Yesterday was, I guess, more of a learning type day. Yeah. We were a little off the pace in both cars. I know Jeremy and Chris and the rest of the guys were working really hard with the clutching, trying to get the clutching where we're at, or where it needs to be. So we'll see here in a little bit.
And as you can see here, the scale behind us is actually looking at a scale, and they're putting exactly.
Green. Good finish.
Car was definitely faster. Nice job, guys.
Green. Clear on the inside, clear on the inside, clear on the inside, clear on the inside. The left rear tire's going down, left rear tire's going down. Going hot pits, end of the row, coming in hot pits. Go. Good job, hot pits. Keep picking them off, bud. P5. A little bounce.
You know, we had a lot of speed today. Andrew drove an awesome race. Started up front, got the lead early on. Come around lap 1, we could see the tire was losing air. Found out we had a puncture. Team went in, team did an awesome job, changed the tire, we didn't lose a lap. Got back out there, restarted in like 12th or 14th, something like that. Drove back up like 5th or 6th. And was real close to passing the next guy, coming to the white flag, and we lost a belt. And then just a quick glimpse at the data and stuff here. You know, everything looks good. Temps were in there. Safe zone, we'll call it. Maybe just a part failure, not sure. Got to dig into it and figure out why and make sure it never happens again.
All right, all done at Anago here. Didn't go as expected, but I've had worse first races. I think we're sitting pretty good in points in the pro stock. Might even be leading. But yeah, we're gonna go do a bunch of work here between the next couple weeks. Get ready for Crandon. We're going testing and gonna get these cars faster. Bring in the Pro 4-2. Going for the win. So we'll see you in Crandon. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you next time.